Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna just do a simple one pot meal. So here I have some seasoning that I diced up, some scallion, onion, bell pepper, thyme, hot pepper. So we're going to be doing some saltfish seasoned rice. Guys, remember on Fridays mommy used to cook them something here? Yes, remember the old time days, them memories guys, serious memories. So here I am stripping off my thyme. I don't want to put the full thyme inside there. I just want the leaf from the thyme. So you can use the dry thyme or you can use the fresh one. So I'm using butter, guys. You can use vegetable oil or olive oil if you want to. Not too much, just a small amount of oil. So here I'm sauteing my vegetables. I'm locking everything in. Make sure this is well sauteed. And yes, guys, thank you so much for your love and support. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you're new here, welcome to Pal's Island Kitchen. So here I am adding some Maggi cubes. This is a vegetable one I'm adding in there, guys, to give your food some flavor and give it that vibe. Guys, if you just smell the aroma up in here, look at all this niceness, guys. This can eat by itself. Just grab 2 slices of bread and you're good to go. So now I already have my saltfish cooked and ready for all this niceness. So now, guys, I am going to go in with my saltfish. So I pick up my saltfish and everything already. I remove all the bones and everything. So I'm gonna combine the vegetables, everything together with the saltfish. Wow, look at that, guys. That looks so delicious. Yummy, yummy to my tummy. Yes. So now we're going to go in. Guys, be very careful when you're doing these things. Please do not hold the pot with your bare hands. Excuse me for doing that. So now, guys, I already washed my rice. I am using basmati rice, so it's already washed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add it to the sauteed veg with saltfish. Yes, guys, and I'm gonna make sure I mix everything in properly. Even everything. Make sure the rice, the veggie, everything combined together before I add my water, or you can use vegetable broth. I am using the water. You can go ahead and use a vegetable broth if you feel pleased to. Yes, it gives it a different flavor. Just add a little something, a little vibe, a little buzz to your saltfish, your one pot meal. Yes, guys, something quick and easy. You come in and you feel tired, you just whip up something nice. So we have 4 cups of water, so we're gonna add that in. Look at all that niceness, guys. Wow, you don't know, so this I got shelly rice around here. No poto, shelly rice. So yes, guys, pardon me, I'm just having fun, and I'm so grateful for all you guys. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for taking the time out to watch my videos. Thank you for loving Pal's Island Kitchen. Thank you for everything that you have done. And yes, guys, I also add some salt, and I still put a little bit of butter in there. Even though we cook the saute everything with the oil, we still add a little butter in there. Country girl, yeah, something of a nice, well nice. Yes, so here I add my salt. So I'm gonna make sure I stir that in. And then guess what we're gonna do, guys? We're gonna cover with our lid. Yes. So guys, please remember to give me a thumbs up on this video and give me a share, give me a comment down below, and remember, pals love on. I respect each and every one of you guys. You know, it just words can express how much I appreciate all of you. So now I am going to add some of my spices. You guys know how I roll with the Cajun seasoning and the Cool Runnings brand. So I'm adding a little bit of Cajun seasoning to my 1-pot saltfish seasoned rice. Yes, guys. So once you add that in, then you're going to cover your lid and you're going to leave that. My stove is on the low, so this will be steaming. And yeah, so we'll get back to you guys when this is ready. Yes, guys, our saltfish rice is ready. 1-pot saltfish rice, lupa rice. Gee whiz. Whoa. Shelly. Well, nice rice. Lupa rice. Lupan rice. So yes, guys, you can enjoy this by itself because this is a 1-pot meal with some saltfish and vegetables, or you can have this with some brown stew chicken. You can have it with some curry chicken. You can have it with whatever you like. So guys, I hope you do enjoy my 1-pot seasoned rice. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Live good, love God. See you next time on Pal's Island Kitchen. Love you all.